Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my channel. There are some of my audience who are asking for the boy customization videos, and guess what? Yes, I did it. So today I'm going to show you the boy customization, and the model is Even, the most popular doll sculpt from True Love BJD company, also MSD size. First time of the boy customization. So I hope you like the result. As a boy, I don't think his clothing should be complicated or fancy, so I just give him a simple outfit. But it's still cute on him. Another good news, I got my orders from Fairy Castle company. So the next video should be the Fairy Castle BJD unboxing and customization. Are you excited to see it? Tell me yes! Also, don't forget to check my store, and if you like my videos, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And now, let's get started! This time I use my camera to record the process, and the graphic quality is kinda improved. I hope it brings you a better watching experience. Finally, Even turns out super cute. This is my first time of doing the boy haircut, so I'm not very confident. Finally, I decided to pick an old wig and restyling it. I recently opened the eyes commission at my website, so if you want the eyes I made, you can just order it from my store. I think the personality of Even is cute boy, so I don't make fancy clothing for him. I believe the simple shirt, pants, and hat will be great on him.
Sorry guys,
I don't have a boy body in my hand, so I just use a girl body instead to try the clothing. Now let me show you how to use the tool from Fairy Castle to change your doll's hands. Please keep in mind that the resin material is very fragile, so you have to make your every movement be gentle. And of course, I got some Fairy Castle BJDs as the in stock. So check it if you're interested in. See you next time!